Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It is the 21st of March 2025. It's about 2:45 here in London, and I'm going to do my first trade of the day. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be investing £500 into the stock market today, and I've been doing this for the last 5 days, and I'm going to try and do this for the foreseeable future. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be investing in my self-invested personal pension plan, SIP for short, and I'm going to be investing £400 into Tesla, £80 into MicroStrategy, and £20 into Nvidia. So I'm going to start by first of all having a look at the portfolio. So my general investment account is just under £59,000, so it's improved a little bit. The lows it hit were around 50,000 and the highs were around £120,000. So again, it's been fluctuating quite wildly, but I'm not too concerned about the volatility. My main concern is to try and invest as much money as possible into these great companies. So my general investment account just under 59. My stocks and shares ISA account is just over 14,000. I've done the full subscription for the year, which was 20,000, so I'm down around 6,000 in my ISA. Again, I'm not too concerned about that. Hopefully it's going to 5x in the future. My self-invested personal pension sits around 1600, just over 1600, and I have another £570 that I'm going to be investing today. So I'm actually going to be investing more in Tesla today. So that's the portfolio at the moment. It's been swinging quite wildly from 120 to around 70, 80 is like quite a big difference. So again, I'm not too concerned, just concerned about accumulating as much as possible. So that's that. So I'm in my SIP now. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to be purchasing Nvidia for £20. But before I do that, let's have a look at Nvidia. So today it's down around 2%. Last 3 months it's down around 15%, and last year it's up around 27%, maximum up around 2000%. So again, not too concerned about this, just gonna keep on buying as much as possible. So today I'm going to be buying £20 worth of Nvidia. So that's 0.2209 shares. So I'm going to confirm the buy and put the order through. So hopefully it's going to go through now. Okay, so that is done now. Next, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying MicroStrategy, and I'm going to be buying MicroStrategy. But before I do that, let's have a look at the price, which is $299. Today it's kind of flat, 1% down. Last 3 months, 10% down. Last year, 87% up, maximum around 3,000%. So again, not too concerned about the fluctuations, just going to keep on buying as much as I can, because this is a Bitcoin treasury company and I want exposure to Bitcoin in my ISA and my SIP. So I'm going to review the order, put the order through. Okay, so that's gonna be done in a second. So that's done. And finally, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying Tesla, and I'm going to be buying £500 worth of Tesla. So I'm doing more than 500 today. But before I do that, let's have a look at the movement. So today it's around 240, around its peak. A few months ago, it was around $488. So today it's up 2%. Last 3 months down about 50%. Last year up about 39. Maximum up around 731 over the last year, but it has declined quite sharply from the highs of 1600% up to lows of 800% up. So again, it's on discount at the moment, so I'm going to be buying as much as possible. So I'm going to be buying £500 worth of Tesla stock now. So that's going to give me 2.67 shares, which is great. So my ultimate target is to reach 500 shares in Tesla. That's my first goal. So I'm going to confirm the buy, putting the order through, and that's done. So I've done that. So I've bought £500 worth of Tesla, I bought £50 worth of MicroStrategy and £20 worth of Nvidia. So that's all done now. So for anyone who's new to my channel, and I am getting quite a lot of new subscribers, this channel is all about long-term investing. My investment horizon is between 5 and 10 years. So anything that I buy in the next 5 years, I'm not going to be selling, and I'm going to try and hold it for at least 10 years. And I invest very aggressively. So I invest every day, and I try to invest a minimum of £300 per day, but I'm trying to increase that to £500 per day. So I'm expecting a few more payments to come over the weekend. Hopefully they're going to come through, and I'm going to be investing, I'm going to continue investing £500 per day. And what I do is I invest in high growth volatile stocks like Tesla, MicroStrategy and Nvidia. So anything that I buy, I'm not going to be selling for the next 5 years, and hopefully I'm going to be keeping for the next 10 years. My ultimate goal is to build a portfolio worth $1 million. So I'm going to try and hit that 1 million mark, within 5 years, hopefully sooner. So that's my investment setup. So yeah, if you enjoy these videos, like and subscribe and join me on my journey. Start with like £1 a day and invest every day when the market is open. Pick a few stocks that you really believe in, and then kind of get the momentum going. Eventually, you're going to want to invest even more, and then you're going to go to £10 a day, £100 a day, and then the sky's the limit depending on how much you can earn. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to be posting another video on Monday with another investment, so I will see you then. Until that time, have a great weekend. Take care.